Imagine this. You are a manager from Germany. You just told your Indonesia employee that their work has serious mistake. You expected frustration, maybe an argument, but instead they smiled, nodded, and quietly said, "Yes, sir, I understand." You walk away confused. Were they not taking that seriously? Were they looking at you? Here is the truth. The employee was not being rude. That smile was not monetary. That silence was not laziness. That was culture. And the misunderstanding happens every single day around the world. Hi everyone, my name is Luzana Rianti. I'm from English Education Study Program, Class 6A. Today I will present a case study on cultural misunderstanding between Indonesia and Western cultures and what we can learn from it. To understand why this misunderstanding happened, we need to look at how Indonesia and the West communicate differently. High contact culture. Indonesia is what scholar Edward T. Hall calls a high contact culture, meaning it's not always said out loud. It left its tone, gesture, and silence. It is felt, not explained. A study 2017 found that Indonesia communication strongly emphasizes nonverbal message, interpersonal relationship, and shared cultural values. Western cultures, especially American, are low contact. They say what they mean. Communication is direct, explicit, and linear. This fundamental difference is the root of almost every misunderstanding we will discuss. When in 2025 found that Indonesia speakers favor indirectness and nonverbal cues, while American speakers prefer directness and explicit logic. Let me walk through 3 real documented cases. In Indonesia, we smile for many reasons: happiness, embarrassment, and even when we are being scolded. Not to mock, but to soften the tension. Research UMM 2020 documented that in Indonesian context, smiling signals friendliness and politeness, but in Western cultures, excessive smiling can be perceived as suspicious or insincere. The employee's smile was a nonverbal politeness marker, not indifference. The manager read in the through a Western lens. Same action, completely different meaning. A foreign executive visited Indonesia. He gave a firm, one-handed handshake. His Indonesian host used both hand and bowed slightly. The executive later said he seemed weak, but in Indonesian culture, that was the highest sign of respect. Research UNOHA 2024 found that foreign students frequently struggle to understand Indonesian handshake norms, where two hands signal deep respect, unlike the Western one-hand professional standard. This is a speech act, mismatch, the same sentence performed and completely different social function depending on your cultural lens.
The first is cultural contact, intercultural communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, speech act and politeness, and the last is nationality culture.
So, what we can do? 3 things. First, learn before you communicate. Second, ask, don't assume. And third, interpret behavior through their cultural lens, not yours. A smile is not always happiness. Silence is not always ignored. And a question about food is not always about food. The take time someone from a different culture surprise you. Do not judge. Be curious, because behind every cultural behavior is a value that deserves to be understood. My name is Luza. Thank you to our attention, and then see you to the next video. Bye bye.